Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I'm going to do, I think it's the second time that we did it just in a couple of days. We're going to use baking soda. It was a suggestion from one of the subscribers we have, Oliver. Hi Oliver. I think it's going to be nice. I'm not sure if it's Oliver. Forget about it. Anyway, the important thing is that we're going to use baking soda, but we're going to use half the baking soda with acrylic, half on half on the canvas, if you know what I mean. So I think it's going to be interesting. The rest of it we're going to we're going to play with abstract and realism. So we're going to do a finish that it looks like the water and the sand. So I think it's going to be nice. We have both kind of technique, and with the baking soda we're going to use a few colors to resemble the sand, of course. Then we're going to put just a little bit of sand over it. So I think it's going to be a nice result. So anyway, we'll try it and we'll come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go and try it. So guys, I think the result is great. I think that we have a nice finish that plays between realism and abstract. I think that for that fact alone, I think it's a nice, it gives us a nice finish. Like you saw, we only use water in our acrylic, just to show you that the result can be also as great. I did work a lot on it because at first I didn't want it, but I thought that the water didn't look quite real enough. Even if I wanted to play between, like I said, abstract and realism, I still wanted to have something that resembled a lot more like real water. So I think we did achieve this effect. I think the fact that we use two technique, well, not two technique, but two different products, meaning only water with acrylic, and on the other side water, acrylic, and of course baking soda. Well, it's always a question of taste. It's subjective, like everything in art. So anyway, I think it's nice. I hope you do too. Well, thanks for being here. And don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because it always gives us some encouragement to continue and do YouTube, because, like you know, we don't generate a lot of money via only YouTube. So guys, thanks for being here, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.